Let's start solving. So first of all, we have to arrange it in the descending order of the power. So whatever term is the first term, okay, here, so we will consider that as the highest power. So we have x, so we will arrange it in the descending order of the x. So first of all, this one, let's arrange. So we have 6x to the power 3, then minus 17x square y plus 10xy square, and this one will be plus 3. Okay, so we have arranged it by. Now we will write it like okay. So first of all, we will pick up first term here and first term from this one, and we will divide it. So we have 6x to the power 3 upon 2x, which will be 6 by 2 into x cubed by x, which can be 3x square. So we will write 3x square here. Now this 3x square we will multiply by this whole term. We have 2x minus 3y into 3x square, which will be 6x to the power 3 minus 9x square y. Okay, so let's start putting it here. X to the power 3 here, so it will be x to the power 3. Then we have x square y, so this, and minus 9x square y. Let's change the sign since we have to subtract it. It will be, this will be cancelled out or 0. This is negative, this is positive, so we have to subtract it, and the sign will be negative since the negative one is bigger, and the answer will be 8x square y. Okay, now we will bring this whole thing down, right? So it will be plus 10xy square plus 3y to the power 3. Again, we will take first term of this and first term of this. So it will be minus 8x square y upon 2x. Okay, so this can be minus 8 by 2 into x square by x into y. So this one will be minus 4 x y. So we will put this here, minus 4 x y. Again we will multiply this whole term by this, minus 4xy, 2x minus 3y into minus 4xy. So it will be minus 8x square y plus 12xy square. Let's start putting it. This one will come under here. Now xy square will be here plus 12xy square. Let's change the sign. This one will cancel out. This is negative, this is positive. We have minus 2xy square, and the remaining we will bring here. We can still solve it further since we have x to the power 1 here also. We have x to the power 1 here also, so we can still solve it. Again, so we will pick up 1 we have picked from here, and this one. Now divide it, minus 2xy square upon 2x minus 2 by 2 2x by x into y square. So we have minus y square. So I will put it here, minus y square. Okay, now minus y square we have to multiply by 2x minus 3y into y square. So we have 2xy square minus 3y to the power 3. Let's put it here. Xy square is here, minus. So this one will be plus, and this one will be minus. See how important are the signs? This would have changed the answer completely. Okay, since this is minus y square, so we will put minus y square, and here it will be minus and minus minus plus. So let's start putting it here. Minus 2xy square. This one will be, let's change the signs. So this one will be 0, this one will be 0. So we have nothing as a remainder, and this is your quotient. So your answer will be 3x square minus 4xy minus y square. This is your answer. So in this one, let's start arranging them. So we have x4, then we have x3. This is 8x square minus 32x plus 5. Now we have to arrange this because it seems like this is not arranged by. So we have x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay, so this can be written as x square plus 3x plus 2, and we have 3x to the power 5 plus 7x to the power 4 minus 11x to the power 3, 8x square minus 32x plus 5. Okay, we have pretty large digit, but if you go step by step, you will never go wrong. Okay, so we will pick up first term from here and first term from here. So we have 3x to the power 5 upon x square. Now when you will solve it monomial, so it will be x cube and 3. We will use it here. 3x to the power 3. We have to multiply this whole term by x square plus 3x plus 2 into 3x to the power 3. So this one will be okay. Let's start placing them. This one will be 3x to the power 5, correct? Next we have x to the power 4. Then we have plus 6x to the power 3. Since we have to subtract, let's change the sign. This one will be 0. This one will be minus 2x to the power 4, and minus minus, so this one will be minus 17x to the power 3. Now we will bring the remaining terms down. So we have plus 8x square minus 32x plus 5. Now the first term is this. We will divide this by this term. So we have minus 2x to the power 4 upon x square, which will be minus 2x square. Keep it here, minus 2x square. So let's start. X square plus 3x plus 2 minus 2x square. So it will be minus 2x to the power 4. This will be minus 6x to the power 3 minus 4x square. So if you have any doubt as to how I am solving this, please see my video where I have explained how to multiply two algebraic expressions together. Okay, if you want, I can provide you with the link. Please do ask me in the comments. We have this. Now let's start replacing it. Minus x to the power 4. This is x cube. So here minus 6x to the power 3 minus 4x to the 2. So minus plus. Okay, so this one will be 0. Here we have minus, this is plus, so we have to subtract them, and sign will be negative since this is the bigger term. So we have minus 11x to the power 3. This is positive, sign will be positive. And now we will bring all the remaining term here. Clear so far? Now next again we will pick this one. So we have minus, I will just use this base, okay? I will use this base. We have minus 11x to the power 3 upon x square, which will be minus 11x. Correct? So we will replace minus 11x. Not replace, we will place our 11x here. Okay, now we will multiply this whole term by 11x. So how we will do it? X square plus 3x plus 2 into minus 11x. It will be 11x to the power 3 minus 33x square minus 22x. Replace it here. X to the power 3 here. So it will be minus 11x to the power 3. This is x square. So we will replace it here. Then we have x. So minus 22x. Change the signs. This one will be cancelled out. This is plus, this is plus, this is. So when we will add it, it will be 45x square. This is negative, this is positive, so we have to subtract it. Minus 10x. This one, now we will bring it here. So it will be plus 5. Okay, so we can solve it further. Since we have x square here, we have x square here, so still we can solve it one more time. Let's try. So this is the first term, this is, so we will pick up this. So we have 45x square by x square. Okay, so answer will be 45. So we will put plus 45 as our question. Now multiply this whole term by 45. We have x square plus 3x plus 2 into 45. So we have 45x square. This one will be plus how much? 135x plus 90. Start replacing it here. We have 45x square. This is plus 135x plus 90. Minus. This one will be gone. This is minus and minus. So minus will be minus 145x. This is minus, this is plus. So this will be minus 85. Now let's see if we can further divide it. This is x. So power is 1. Here the power is 2. Since this power is bigger than the dividend, so that's why we will not solve it further. So this is your answer. So our answer is, our quotient is 3x to the power 3 minus 2x square minus 11x plus 45, and our remainder is minus 145x minus 85. Sorry, quotient is this. So this is your final answer.